Good morning, garden friends. I'm Holly Stickley of the White Pear, Landscape Design and Outdoor Living. Today we are in Dundee, Oregon, which is about 30 miles south of Portland. Dundee is a major wine-producing region in Oregon, and this garden that we are installing up on this hilltop overlooks, I believe, 5 different wineries. There's Domaine Serene over on the north side, and we have the White Rose. Sokol Blosser is somewhere over here. Anyway, it's an amazing, amazing area. So anyway, this is what we're doing. It's a very contemporary home. So we're going to be doing a lot of repeating elements. This is an olive tree that the owners brought up from San Francisco area, I think in California. Look at that beautiful, beautiful olive tree. Anyway, come with me. And then they did 2 6-footers down here.
Great.
Steps are cool.
Yeah, this looks great.
Yeah, it does. Oh, they did plant. Oh. So these are gorgeous.
Yeah, so these are the Arctostaphylos, Dr. Hurd, Manzanitas. Mm-hmm.
And these are 5-galloners, which they're fine.
Yeah, I these.
I think they did a good job in not going with the 15 gallons.
Yeah, I think 5 gallons are fine,
Yeah.
and I like them because they kind of have a larger leaf than some of the other Manzanitas, and then they'll get the
pink little dangly.
Yeah, the whitish pink bell-shaped flowers.
Nice. I think it looks great.
Yeah.
And I love the dark burgundy. Oh my God, I love that bark.
Yeah. So as these mature, they get kind of like a peeling bark and just kind of a shrubby branching structure, and it's really beautiful year round.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so let's see. We're going to let's take some lavender over there.
Yeah.
So this is the English lavender.
Yes, we have 2 lavenders. We got the Grosso lavender,
The
which
French
is
and the English.
and the Hidcote.
And the Hidcote. Okay.
Yep.
We're going to place plants on the entry here. Okay, so I'd like to introduce you to my assistant, Savannah Pina.
Hi there.
Yes, fabulous designer. What were you going to say?
Oh, I've been working with you for almost 2.5 years.
2.5 years
yeah,
already?
I just did the math.
Wow.
So.
Oh, wow. Why'd you do the math?
I
Curious?
was just wondering.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It goes fast when you're having fun. Anyway, this is, we are just going to try and get all these plants in all through this area here. And it takes, quite a while. This will be a while for us. Okay, so where we're at here. This is a phase 1 plan. So this is the whole thing together.
Yeah, this way.
So we can have it in our hand and hold it around.
We'll need 11 over there.
Okay. But yeah, just phase 1. This is just chock full of plants, but they're doing it in 2 phases. Now, which is wintertime, and then we're going to do some in the spring, I believe, or maybe early summer. So, but anyway, okay. So before we did all this metal edging, this whole area up here, there was nothing. The only thing we kept was the old cherry, the cherry tree here, the weeping cherry in the corner, and of course the evergreens behind you over here. No more boxes over there. Boxwood, no more boxwood. That's it. Okay.
Let me get a tape so we can get these all lined up this way.
Do we need more of the we need more of the boxes over there?
That was 11 of the buxus, right, Javier?
Oh, you took 11 over
Yeah.
there? Oh.
Oh. Of these ones, 11 of these ones.
11.
Okay.
Oh, okay, okay. Okay, so then we got all these here.
Yes, and these will be here. Oh, these are going on the other side too, so they don't all go here. What is there, 25? So what's half of that?
12.
Or 12. 12, yeah. So 12 go on the other side. Yeah.
This is Javier. And we also put in this the staircase right here, so that before this was you know, it's a little ridge here, and there was no access to the front area. Yeah. So anyway, it's kind of nice. They can come out their front door on the other side and come down here through the driveway. It makes sense. Wonderful panels here. These are Corten steel panels. It kind of gives the driveway some structure, which I really like. And we did it with the boulders. And these boulders came from the other side. They came from the neighbors over here. They brought them out over here. So it looks really nice that it's very indigenous to the area. So I want to show you what we did over here. This is their driveway, their garage, and this used to be all open here. And what we're doing is we're dividing it up into little garden areas. So we're going to line this whole area with boxes. It's a boxwood hedge, and then we put in a pathway right through here. So it defines the areas. You know, that's one of the first things you have to do is you have to get the structure of the layout when there's nothing here. It's just all open. So we are spacing the. This is boxwood baby jam, and we are spacing out the hedge 4 feet. 4 feet, Savannah, 4 feet on center? Or
Yeah,
just about 4 feet on center. Anyway, I just wanted to show you that. And then we are going to, when they get big, we're going to put a nice trim on it. It'll be a squared off hedge. Come visit us at thewhitebear.com.